The Edgar database is operated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The acronym Edgar stands for Electronic Data Gathering, Analysis, and Retrieval System. All companies, foreign and domestic, are required to file registration statements, financial reports, and other such forms to the Securities and Exchange Commission through this database. To learn more on the history of Edgar, you can click on the About Edgar link here. For first-time users of Edgar, I highly recommend using the quick Edgar tutorial. Furthermore, it'd be advantageous to use a Guide for Investors tab here. This tab helps users in navigating the database and informs the users on limitations within the database. There are several ways to search within Edgar. To start your search, you want to click the Search for Filings tab here on the left side of the screen. The primary way most users search within Edgar is through the Company and Other Filings list tab here. It is important when searching within this engine that you list the company's full name as shown on their filing reports. For example, you don't want to type in the acronym IBM. This search will be a failure with only 8 results. Instead, you want to type in the company's full name on their filing, International Business Machines. This search will bring up all of the company's filings within Edgar. You can limit this result by indicating a specific type of file you're looking for, or setting a time frame for the search. An alternative to this search is the Edgar Full Text tab here. This might be easier for beginning users because its search technologies are based on natural language, as opposed to the government language in the previous search. For example, you can type in the acronym IBM, and in this engine it will bring up all of the company's filing results. The downside to searching through full text is that it only allows the user to draw from filings up to 4 years ago. Edgar search results appear as a list of filings, beginning with the most recent. The filings are identified by Edgar form types. You will have to review individual filings when searching for specific disclosures. Additionally, you will have to check subsequent filings for any amendments or changes to the original filings. Edgar does not attach these amendments or changes to the original filing. Instead, they create a whole separate file for them. It is critical for users to understand what information the various forms hold. And to aid users in this, Edgar has created 2 helpful tools. The first of which is the Forms list. The Forms list lists all the forms within Edgar and how they are labeled. As you look down, it'll list it all and it subdivides them with descriptions, their numbering system. The other tool Edgar uses is the Forms Descriptions tab. This tab details what information each form is responsible for. The great thing about Edgar is that it is free for any user to access and download information.